these guys. Awesome. Woo. Oh, this is amazing, guys. Oh, look at these guys. Look at this. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Hey. Woo. Oh, I thought I'd miss it, man. I thought I'd miss it. Wow, I literally just got off the bus. Oh, that guy's got a good vantage point there. Oh, that is awesome, man. That's super awesome. Oh, some more of these guys, look. Hey! I thought I'd missed them. I did, I thought I'd missed them. I literally just got off the bus, guys. Chris, well done, mate. Oh, that is brilliant. Awesome, man. Thank you, Chris. Thank you very much for telling me about this. I had no idea. And this is really super cool. Fantastic. Well done, Chris. Nice one, mate. Oh, that is awesome. It's awesome, man. Oh, I wonder if there's got to be some more coming down, surely. I hope so. When you told me about it, I tried to get up. It was like 2 AM in the morning when I got that message from you. And I'm like, oh, I'm really, really tired, but do I go to bed now because it starts at 7 and this, that, and blah, 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 blah. Oh, there's some more coming down. Well, there's more, here comes some more. Wait, look at these dudes, man. These cars are amazing. Think about it. They're over 100 years old, man. And look, they're still managing. Look at this. This is amazing. These contraptions are freaking awesome, man. Woo! Amazing. Look at these guys. Fantastic. Well, I said, you think about it, man. You think about it. These cars, some of them are over 100 years old, man. Over 100 years old, and they'll make it, well, hopefully a lot of them will make it all the way to Brighton. 60 miles, man. And you look at some of these modern contraptions, and some of them look if they make it that far. Some of them. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating slightly. I'm getting a bit stilly and a bit nostalgic, eh? Well, I mind you, how can I get nostalgic? I mean, flipping heck, I wasn't around when they were made. I'm not that old. Oh man, this is awesome, man. Let's get over here. I'm trying to get a better vantage point. This dude over here's got the best spot. Fair play to him. Oh man, these old motor cars, man. I mean, you think about it, like I said. I mean, they're over 100 years old, man. Do you know what I mean? And yet there they are, trotting down the road. Okay, they don't go as fast as what's name, but flipping heck. And some of them look really amazing. Sort of chugging away. Oh. Come on, traffic lights, get these modern cars out of the way. I want to see this beautiful little thing coming down here. Maybe I should have stayed on that side of the road, actually. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, I think, you know what, I think you're right. Why did I come over here for? Oh no. Look, there he goes. I'm going this way. Yay. Awesome. Awesome, man. There we go. Here's some more of these guys. Oh, I'm glad I came now. Wow. I thought I'd missed them all. Man. Woo! Awesome. Yay! Look at these dudes. That is amazing, man. Oh, so cool. So cool, man. Chris, once again, I thank you for this. I had no idea about this. I really didn't. I knew about the Brighton, London to Brighton thing. Not obviously, I mean, an Englishman. I don't think there's many English people that wouldn't know about that necessarily. You know, considering the movie that was made of it and all the rest of it with Genevieve and what have you, sort of thing. Joanne was telling me who starred in that this morning. For the life of me, I've forgotten again already. Oh God, who was the guy that was driving Genevieve? What was his name? She told me this morning. I was thinking it was Dirk Bogart for some reason. I have no idea why I was thinking it was him. But that wasn't him, was it? It was... oh, for crying out loud, she did tell me. What was the guy's name? Oh, do you know what? I'm going back over this side, actually. I'm going back over here because they're all on this side, you see. And I'm thinking I get a better shot of them over on this side. Anyway, yeah. So, oh, what was the guy's name? Oh look, now it's on that side. No, come down here, the guys. That's it. That's it. Come down here. This side. This side. That's it. Down this way, folks. Nice. Awesome. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at this fella. Wow. Look at the speed that's going. Woo. Hey, some of them are going a fair old clip and all, aren't they? Flipping heck. They're not that slow. Holy moly. What was that? I'm trying to think of this flipping dude's name. Oh, for crying out. Something. Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. Moore. Something more. Not Roger Moore. I hate when that happens. Yeah, but she was telling me about it this morning anyway. And the guy that starred in it, and he was driving Genevieve. And she told me the actress's name as well, and it completely gone out of my head. But, wow, you see the speed of some of them and all, actually. Wow, they were so fast, some of them, I couldn't keep up with them. Flipping heck. Wow. Yeah, it's awesome, man. It's really cool. Yeah, look, I think there's some more coming up. Yep. Hey. It's only round the corner from me as well, essentially. I could have walked it or got a bus round. I'm glad I got the bus. Literally got off the bus and then a load of them came along. Look at these guys, man. Woo! This is so awesome. This is awesome, man. Love it. Thank you, Chris. You are the best in the world, mate. Well done. Fantastic. Oh, this is brilliant, man. Woo! This is brilliant. Nice. This is so awesome. Thanks, Chris. Nice one, mate. Brilliant. Love it, love it. Absolutely love it. And they're going all the way to Brighton, man. They're going to 60 miles, roughly. I think it is. 60 miles. All the way to Brighton. Incredible. Wow. I don't know how long this is going to go on for. I don't know, to be quite honest with you. It's really cold this morning, by the way. I don't know if you noticed, how you can see my breath, but it's really flipping cold this morning. Actually, it's a nice day though. Actually, it's nice and brisk. Actually, as it goes, some more coming up. Here we go, folks. Oh, look at these dudes, man. This is so flipping awesome. Nice one! I love the clouds of smoke coming out of some of them. Look at this one here, look at the smoke coming out of it. Oh my god! That's awesome! That is so awesome, man! Wow. That is brilliant! Talk about smog! Oh my god, I love it! Oh, that is so amazing! Oh dear, funny, love it, absolutely love it. Oh, that is so cool, man. Look at this. Oops. Oh yeah, show off, eh? Yeah, whatever, mate. Oh, look at this. This is brilliant. This is so cool. Yeah, whatever, mate. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do love motorbikes as well, but Right now, there's no need to show it off with your flipping motorbike, mate. The bus is in the way now, but I can't see anything more coming up yet. Oh, hang on, yep, there's another one. Yay! That's it, show them some love, man. Yay! Show them some love. Yay! Woohoo! Nice one, dude! It's so awesome, man! Oh, look at that fire engine! Oh, nice! Woo! Hey! The size of that one! Little dinky little thing! Oh man, so cool. Oh, look at this! Wow, making some noise, this one. Woo! Yay! That is brilliant! I don't know how long this video is going to be for, but I don't care. This is brilliant, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So cool, man. It's so cool. Wow. Funny as well, I've not been down Clabbermine Street for a good while at all, actually, funny enough. So that's another interesting point, actually. From my perspective, that is. See what's different, what's changed later on. We're going to have a mooch around. Might even go for a coffee at Nero's. Not been there for a while. Oh, here we go again. Yay! This is awesome, man. These guys are amazing. Look at this, look at this. Oh, look at these little engines and everything, man. They're so flipping amazing. Oh, this is awesome, man. Wow. Oh, Joanne, why didn't you come with me? I know you were still tired, but flipping heck, you're missing a treat. Wow, look at this. These machines are awesome, man. Look at this. Whee! You know what, I'm kind of thinking whether to walk down to the lights just over there and catch them as they're coming up the lights. Ooh, do you know, that might be an idea. Right, let's go up there, guys. In fact, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep recording though, because just in case some more come down, we miss them or something. Do you know what I mean? So I'm going to keep on walking for now. Right, let me. Just going to go up this way here. Yep, there's another one coming down. Like I said, I'm glad I didn't stop recording them, but I'm thinking, if I stand where the traffic lights, where the island is there. Oh, look at this one, look at this, look at this! That is flipping awesome! Oh man! Look at that thing! Oh my god! That is brilliant! That is so cool, man. It's like a bleeding steam engine going down the road. Oh yes. These guys are amazing. Hello! Hello! Yay! Oh wow! Hello, sir! Hey! Penny farthing! That was a penny farthing! My god! That's amazing! That's a penny farthing! Flipping heck! Now, let me see if I can get into the middle of this flipping road, man. Yeah, that's better. See, now we can sort of see them stopped at the lights a little bit, so we can get a kind of better look at them, if you see what I mean. Oh yeah. Hey, awesome. Nice, man. Look at these guys. Of course, the only other problem is we've got a ton of traffic on this side now. Ah, shoot. Oh man, we're going to have to go back on that side. I keep forgetting. Look, see, otherwise we've got these big trucks and flipping buses and flipping everything else. Right, let's get back on the other side actually. I only just realised I'm going to miss another one here. No, 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 no. Right, quick, 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 quick. Nice. Oh shoot. Of course we've got traffic come from this side now as well. Do you know what? Wait. Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to find the best spot so we can capture these guys. So cool. That is awesome, man. That is amazing. Well, like I say, you think about it. That thing's probably over 100 years old and it's going to go 60 miles all the way to Brighton. That's incredible. Oh, I love it. Listen to it. Chugging away, it's beautiful, I love it. Yay! So cool, man. So cool. Look at this dude here. Whoa! Nice. Chugga 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 chugga. Look the noise they make. The sound some of them make is flipping awesome, man. Chugga 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 chugga. Oh, look at this old sherabang here, look. Way! Awesome, man. I should have come here in the first place to this bit. Then we get to see them at the lights. Like I say, we get nice close-ups then. Oh, look at this. That is amazing, man. Go on, old girl. You can make it. Wow. That is beautiful, man. Look at the old crank handle as well. It's got an old crank handle there, of course. That is so superb. Oh, thanks. Look at it shaking, man. Wow. Wow, man. Whoa, hey, look at that. Woo! Nice. Oh, wow. Awesome, man. Nice. Three-wheeler motorbike, see? Nothing new these days, is it? Oh, look at this one here, look. These are amazing, man. These are so cool. Wow, man. They are amazing. Woo! Another sharabang. Cool. That's the bus, by the way. The old-fashioned bus. They call them charabangs, or used to anyway. Oh, there's another one. No, that's three now. Wow. God blimey, it's cold. My fingers are getting really cold. How long has this video been going for? I have no idea. This is going to be, no, it's not going to be one of the longest. I've done way longer. But still, so cool, man. Wow. Woo! Awesome. Yay. Oh, nice. T4, man. Nice. Woo! Whoa! This is amazing. I love it. Look at these guys. Oh, so fantastic, man. I know I said it before, Chris, but I'm going to say it again. Well done, mate. Thank you. Wow. I haven't had so much fun in I don't know how long. Whoa, look at this dude. Look at this dude. Whoa. Nice. Oh, yes. Look at that. It's got wooden wheels, man. Oh, man. That is so awesome. Wow. So cool. I hope you make it all the way with no problems. Yay! Nice one. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Fantastic, man. Woo! So beautiful. Woo! Oh, look, you can see this got a chain as well. Look at that. Oh, wow. That is amazing. I wonder what that one is. Look at that. It's like an old carriage, isn't it? Whoa. Listen to those machines, man. Nice. Nice. Love it. Whoa. Nice. These guys are awesome, man. Woo! Nice! Yay! Woo! Hey! Nice one! Whoa! Woo! That is beautiful, man. Wow! These guys are amazing. These cars are awesome. Look at them. This is so flipping amazing. Oh, I don't believe I made it to get all these guys in, man. This is going to be one epic video. I'm going to have to make this video into about 2 or 3 different videos at this rate. Flipping heck. I couldn't believe we saw a Model T. Flipping heck. Model T Ford, man. Wow. It's the Brighton to London run. Yeah. Cool. Oh, sorry, the other way around even. London to Brighton. Oh, God.
That's why we got out this early on the Sunday.
Hey! Awesome! These guys are amazing. Look at this, look at this. Oh, look at that. Wow. Woo. Chevy. Wow. So cool, man. Oh, this is awesome, man. They are beautiful, aren't they? They are absolutely beautiful. Look at these guys, man. Awesome. God, look at that Rolls Royce. Whoa! Some of these are so beautiful, man. They really are. Hello. So amazing, man. Look at that one. That is so cool. Wow. That was scary, actually. That one in front just then, that one with the girls sat at the front, that looked really scary. I mean, it's like, what happens if you flipping heck? There didn't seem to be any seatbelts or anything. You fall out with that. Okay guys, so this video, I have no idea how long this is going to go on for now. I mean, this must be at least 30 minutes now, I'm guessing, off the top of my head. I mean, the thing is, I'm thinking to myself, I don't want to just do a continuous video, because it'll get boring for some people. Do you know what I mean? It won't be boring for me, to be quite honest, because I'm really enjoying this. And it's like, flipping heck, this is just awesome. I can stand here all day. Well, I'm not sure about all day, to be quite honest, because it really is very cold today. It's the coldest day we've had so far, to be quite honest. It's actually really cold. My hands are really starting to get freezing now, but it's like I don't want to miss any either. Do you know what I mean? It's like I don't want to miss any, but I'm thinking if it's just a long continuous video, is it not going to get boring? I don't know. Wow. Woo. Look at these things, man. I'm not being funny as well, but I noticed some of the drivers are as old as the flipping cars. Oh, that is so amazing, man. Oh, look at this thing. That is brilliant. Whoa. Yes. So amazing. Oh, another penny farthing. Oh my God. Hats off to you, sir. That is awesome. Wow. Much respect to you, sir, for wearing one of them all the way. Oh my God. Well done, sir. Fantastic. Wow. That is awesome, man. Woo. Hey. Oh, I love the steering wheel on that one. Wow, it's just a stick. Wow. Cool, man. Whoa. That is awesome, man. Can you imagine riding that all 60 miles on that? Wow. And also on a day like this, freezing cold, man. It's not warm. Nice one. I love it. I love it. Oh, so cool. Talk about old sugar. Look at this. That's so cool, man. Yay! Hello! Woo! Oh my. I wonder how many there is. I wonder how many I missed before I got here. Nice, man. That is amazing. That's so cool, man. Is it Doc Brown? That's Doc Brown there. Then we're going to get it up to 28 miles an hour. No, 28. What am I on about? Well, these things may be 28 miles an hour. Oh, this is so cool. It's Doc Brown. Yes. Hello. Hello. These guys are amazing. Look at them. Some of them go past really fast and all, man. Oh, God, sir. Wow. Oh my God! Flipping heck! Oh, I think this is can't even speak now. Sensory overload, to be quite honest. Wow! Holy moly, man! I was saying something a minute ago. Oh my God! Look at the battery! Oh God! How long have I been recording? The battery is nearly. It's more than halfway. More than halfway. Luckily I do have spares and spare memory card as well, as always. I learned the hard way with that one. Oh, here we go, here we go. Yay. Oh, that is beautiful, man. Nice. Wow. So awesome. Look at this one as well, look. They are beautiful machines. Awesome. Nice one, guys. Cheers. Whee! Yeah, sorry, I was about to say something that's gone right out of my head. I'm sure I was saying something earlier on a minute ago, but now I can't remember what the heck it was. Wow. Look at these, look. I love to see them all together like that as well, all bunched together. They look so amazing. Yay! But some of them really don't they? It's like, they're not all like really, really slow little tricky things, are they? Do you know what I mean? Oh, man. Woo. That's so cool, man. So cool. Look at the crankshaft, sorry, the crank handle shaking about. That's awesome, man. Wow, there's so many. There's so many. A lot of those tyres, by the way, are solid tyres. They don't have air in them. They're solid rubber. Some are compressed air, or pneumatic tyres as they used to call them, but a lot of them are just solid tyres, like I said. Oh, look at that one there, look. Whoa. Hiya. Oh man, I'm missing some with the buses in the way. No. Get out of the way, bus. I'll see a load of you every single day. Yay. I don't see these guys every day. Whoa. Yay. Oh my God. The air is thick with petrol fumes right now. I am actually tasting petrol fumes as we speak. It's like... Oh God, this is awesome, man. Oh, I am so cold right now, I'm not kidding you. Never mind. It's worth it. It is definitely worth it. This is going to be one long video, guys. Oh my good giddy aunt. They're just non-stop right now. they're alive, isn't it? Like they're a living thing. Good luck! They're amazing, man. Well, I'll tell you one thing, it takes some dedication. Oh man, listen to that, wow. Clink, clank, clunk, clunk, clink, clunk, clink, clunk, clink, clunk. Oh my. It does take some dedication though to do that. I mean, especially on a day like this, man, it's freezing cold, they don't have any cover. Hello! Rather cold today. I hope you make it all the way with no problems. Fantastic. Wow. Amazing. Fantastic, man. Awesome. Look, even more. Wow. Woo. Wow. Oh. Hiya. I swear I'm going to die of lead poisoning. I can swear to God I can taste it. You can smell it, it's thick in the air. My God. Oh my God, is it never going to stop? I mean, there is such a thing as having too much of a good thing, you know. Wow. That's a cool bite. Nice. Oh man, some of these cars are beautiful. Oh, my knees. I'm getting too old for this. I'm kneeling down, I think. Oh, so beautiful, man. Okay, Chris, I hope I've got your wish fulfillment here. It's so beautiful. Like the magnificent men of the flying machines, aren't they? Awesome, man. Oh my God! I'm gonna die of lead poisoning. Oh Jesus Christ! Oh my, sorry guys. Wow, that is really. Oh my God. This is awesome. Hello. Yay. Oh God. Oh, I'm getting too old to keep kneeling down. Oh my God, my feet are killing me. Oh man, look at that. That is awesome, man. Oh, look at that. I didn't see that just then. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow. That is amazing. So cool, man. And another penny farthing. respect to you, sir. Much respect to you for riding that all the way. Well done.
On a train here.
Don't blame you. Oh my God, wow! Right, I'm just gonna have a quick break. I need a fag. Back in a sec. Oh wait, no, hang on. I don't want to miss any of them, to be quite honest. I really don't. I don't want to miss any of them. I really don't want to miss any of them. Wow. Nice. Awesome, man. Oh my God, this is never ending. Yay! Oh, God, my legs. Right, hang on. I need a fag.